The S&P 500 is down 2.7% today, and some of my favourite stocks such as Google, Amazon, Uber and MasterCard are also down on the day, but here's why I'm not panicking, as I'm just doing something known as dollar cost averaging, which means every single month I invest a lump sum into the market at either the highs or the lows, and then over time it will average out somewhere in the middle. And also I think during this time a lot of people are talking about selling and trying to, take some losses so they don't lose more. But if you look at this chart here, this is if you invested in the market every single day and you didn't sell, versus if you missed the best 10 days off an initial £100,000 investment, or dollars, it doesn't really make a difference. So if you had £100,000 over 10 years ago and you invested and you kept it invested, you would now have £239,000 or dollars. If you missed the best 10 days, then you'd only have $147,000, sorry. And if you missed the best 20 days, you would only have $114,000, and so on and so on. So this just really shows the importance of, staying invested in the market. So I think people also need to understand that the market goes in cycles, which usually last anywhere from 16 to 18 years. So you'll go through a stage where the market's kind of trading sideways, and then we'll see a bit of an uptrend, and then again it will trade sideways, and then a bit of an uptrend, and then, so on and so forth. And then eventually the market will go into a bubble and everything will be overvalued, and you'll have to see some kind of pullback, such as a correction or a crash. And if you have conviction in your stocks, which I do, I think you should use these market cycles and take advantage of them. For example, when we see a correction within the market, I think we should use this as a buying opportunity, as you can buy more of your favorite companies at a cheaper discount. And then in the long term, when your stocks hopefully go back up, the gains will be exponentially increased. If you found this video helpful, make sure to follow my page and double tap the screen.